What's up everybody? If you're a HVAC or a plumbing company and you're trying to figure out which AI receptionist to use in 2026, this video is just for you. In this video, I'm going to break down the 5 AI receptionists everybody is talking about, just Avoca AI, FieldCamp, Goodcall, Rosie, and Sameday AI. And here's the thing that you must hang for. Ultimately, there is 2 categories that all these 5 receptionists fall into. The first one is that which of these actually ask the questions, take the calls and book the jobs. And the second one, which is just they would answer the user's question, and then you have to go through the recording and do the things yourself. And trust me, most of them are the second category. It's rare to find the first one, which actually connects to a system. It is flexible and it actually books the job. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to call at the end of every section a winner, because I have broken this video down into a few sections. We'll cover what all of them share first of all, which are the basics, and then the big one, does the AI actually book the job or just answer it? And then there's also a third question to ask, is it omni-channel? Because in 2026 omni-channel marketing is everything. Your sales is going to be omni-channel. People are going to be reaching out to you from WhatsApp, text message, call, email, any single thing. Your manufacturers are going to email you if you are a HVAC company, for example, and you want AI to not only help you automate your frontline communication but internal processes as well. So all 5, Avoca, Goodcall, Rosie, Sameday and FieldCamp, will answer an inbound call 24/7 in a natural voice. You have flexibility to select model like 11 Labs, OpenAI, Cartesia, any single one, and you can choose different voices as well. There is just the basic stuff. All of them can do second thing, which is answer all the FAQs. You can upload all your FAQs. It's gonna answer, say, what's your pricing like, what services do you guys offer. So all of them do that as well. And these are the table stakes. So it should be able to answer people's questions. You should have flexibility of what model and voice you want to select, and then it should be 24/7. Now, let's say these are just the basics and you want to go one step further, which is any of these receptionists, do they actually book jobs? And remember, you are a field service business owner like a HVAC or a plumbing company. You are not just going to put some random slots on the calendar. There is factors that come into consideration, which is skills, certifications, route optimization, because you want to save money on the gas. Then also the assignment should be based on revenue maximization. Like for HVAC or a plumbing shop, you want to send technicians who are going to give you the highest profit margin first. So this is the section the whole video is built around. Here's the question nobody answers. Let's say when the AI says, I've got you down for a Tuesday, does that slot actually land on the real dispatch board against a real tech who can reach to that zip code on time? And if it doesn't do that, that's not a booking. It's fake booking, because next day you would have to call them and say that, hey, you know what, sorry, Tuesday doesn't work for us because we are not in that area, first of all. So you want to avoid that situation. So first one, Avoca is excellent at conversation. They just raised a huge round. So that's what it makes it really nice, first of all. And it has a really nice answering layer on top of Service Titan. So that's the only thing that you should consider. If you're a Service Titan user, and if you are a HVAC or a plumbing company looking for a voice layer which is more advanced than what Service Titan already offers, because they have partnered with WAPI, then this is your option, where it has an amazing conversation layer. You can customize it according to your need. It might be a bit expensive on top of your expensive Service Titan bill itself, but it's worth checking out. Then there is Goodcall. Goodcall scheduling, it's through Zapier, so it's not that great because you can't really configure the skills, certification routes, etc. Rosie has also the same thing. It can book slots on the calendar, but it is not based on all the routing skills, etc. And then Sameday is genuinely good. It schedules one layer better than Rosie and Goodcall. It can actually schedule by urgency, location and tech specialization, but the gap is still there ultimately, because when you schedule something, you need to move a few things as well ultimately, and that process comes into dispatching. So when you're evaluating an AI receptionist should consider into 2 factors. One is an AI dispatcher and one is an AI CSR. AI CSR is responsible for communication. AI dispatcher is responsible for booking those things right into the calendar. Now FieldCamp offers you both of these. FieldCamp has a AI CSR, which is omni-channel by the way. So it can talk to your customers on WhatsApp, it can talk to your customers on email, text, call, every single thing. And it uses FieldCamp's own machine learning based AI dispatcher to book jobs into the calendar. Now, any of the receptionists in the market don't do this right off the bat inside the platform, except, for example, if you are using Avoca AI or some agencies, third-party agencies, what they would do is they would use Service Titan's Dispatch Pro, which is a scheduling engine, and then it will use that slot to confirm with the customers. So if you are buying an AI receptionist, make sure that are you buying an AI CSR or are you buying an AI CSR plus an AI dispatcher. But here's the reality in 2026. Your leads don't come from phone anymore. That's just the first part of the equation, which is AI CSR plus dispatcher. As I said, it's omni-channel. For example, WhatsApp. People love using WhatsApp. If you're on Google, if you have the message me button, for example, they are going to connect with you. They might connect with you on Instagram after seeing your, let's say, DIY reel that, hey, this is day in life of a plumber, for example. Then all of this needs to be somehow integrated into one unified inbox. Now in SaaS, basically, we have something called as Intercom or Zendesk. We use Intercom and we have tried Zendesk as well. So with Intercom, the thing is it's omni-channel. So any SaaS company can connect, for example, all of their WhatsApp, email, everything, and then the Fin agent can be deployed in all of this. But there's nothing like this for the field service industry. So what FieldCamp is doing is FieldCamp is bringing the top level, which is their learnings from Intercom, into this industry. And the only other platform which is doing that is Service Titan. So not Job or not House Call or anyone, they just have glorified AI receptionist while their inbox kind of sucks. But Service Titan, because of the product maturity, has this unified inbox. Now, of course, you would have to use some make.com or N8N to tie in, for example, Avoca, if they are willing to do it for you, or somehow make.com to tie in the pieces to be omni-channel ultimately. Now, the most important question, what is the pricing? I'm going to name cheapest to the most expensive because that's how you will actually know what to shop for. Rosie is the rock bottom entry at $49 a month, but texting and booking live on the $149 tier. Goodcall starts at $79, but here's the trap. It bills per unique caller. So picture an HVAC shop in July, heat wave for example, your phone's exploding, you blow past your cap and the cheap plant isn't cheap anymore. That's the one that quietly triples ultimately your bill every single season. Same day ultimately has a cap up around $449. But you are paying for the sales agent muscle that grows the ticket ultimately. And Avoca has no public price. It's sales led. There's no free trial. They demo basically on your Service Titan data and quote you with the third party reviews say that the price is around $1,000 to $3,000 a month. That's why it justifies the big funding round, but it's quite high. And then lastly, there is FieldCamp. FieldCamp has 3 tiers starting from $250 to scale up teams that go up to $2,000 depending on your team size. But the good thing is, apart from the simple features, for example, AI summaries, AI chat, etc., they have this AI CSR plus AI dispatcher, as I said, which uses to book the job at the right location at the right place. All of this is usage based. So as much usage ultimately FieldCamp incurs from your account, they are going to charge you from it. So in a busy season, you might be paying more. In a less busy season, you'll be paying less. So here's the honest pick. By shop. If you are just like, hey, one job to be done, I just want natural, all sounding good voice receptionist, then Rosie, SoundCall, etc., those who don't have advanced like dispatching needs, those solutions make sense if you're just a solo operator. Goodcall is good, ultimately it's cheap. So all 3 which I just mentioned, they are the entry level. Now if you're a shop which is 10 technicians to 50 or to 100 technicians, you're looking for a scaled up solutions. Realistically, you only have 2 options in the market because Jobber's AI Receptionist or House Call Pro's AI CSR, they are very similar to all this Rosie and stuff because none of them have dispatch brains to book the jobs. Because if you are a scaled company, you are implementing an AI receptionist, you want it to actually book the job. So the only 2 options are Avoca plus Service Titan and FieldCamp. Now you have to decide ultimately if you are a Service Titan user, go with the first one. But if you are in the market looking for a new platform that does all of this stuff and a scaled up solution that can scale, for example, when you are from 40 techs to 80 techs, then FieldCamp is your option. Go through all of this, do your research, book a demo with them, and then if you like this video, like and subscribe. Thank you.